What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a theater room on an older home that we retrofit for a customer, doing a 5.2.4 Klipsch reference Premiere Dolby Atmos system with a Sony 295 and 125-inch screen. You guys know that I really appreciate your support. It really means the world to me, which is why we continue to make these videos. If you aren't one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. Let's go check this system out. I think this is really cool. I do so many new construction homes that they get a little bit boring. So this is an older home. Let's go see how it turned out. All right, just pulled up to the home, and I kind of want to talk to you guys about the process of doing your theater system with Dreamedia and how it works. Essentially what happened is this customer reached out to us because he was watching the YouTube channel. We requested all of his information, full name, email address, phone number, budget, as well as pictures of the space. I'm gonna pop up some pictures of the room so that you guys can see what the customer had sent me. And basically what we do is work with the customer based on their budget and the room to optimize a system that fits their needs as well as the budget. So this kind of gives you a rough idea of the starting place. Now let's go inside and see what the final product looks like. Let's check it out. All right, so this is the space that we're working with. As I showed you in the pictures that the customer sent me prior to the design, this is the space with all the equipment installed. So we're running for projection a Sony 295 native 4K projector. This is one of the first native 4K projectors that came out that were reasonably priced, $5 grand at MSRP. It's a real crowd pleaser. We have a full Klipsch reference Premiere 5.2.4 system. Customer is using another company that he purchased elsewhere, the HSU subwoofers, which I'm actually excited to hear. I haven't heard of this company, so that'll be exciting. If you look at the screen, this is a 235 125-inch silver ticket screen that the customer did purchase on his own as well. We don't sell this brand. But I'm going to discuss in a little bit the aspect ratio of this projector versus the projection screen that the customer is using. This is a Wonder Woman Blu-ray, which is filling the full screen, but this particular projector does not have 235 to 16:9 aspect lens memory, so he manually does it, but we'll touch on that a little bit later. I might even make a whole nother video about it. To power up the system, we're using a Denon 6500. Which can actually, 6500 can actually do a 7.2.4 if you wanted. Now, as far as the reference Premiere line, these are the 8000 Fs for the front left, the front right, and then this is the RP 504C. This combination is killer. I mean, we have had really good results with it. It's affordable and it sounds and looks amazing. And if you guys think you don't like the cones, you can put the grill on it to cover it up, or maybe your wife doesn't like it. In the back of the room, we're running the RP 6000 Ms, or sorry, 600 Ms for the surrounds. And then overhead Atmos. You can see we got the RP 160, or sorry, the Pro 160 RPCs for overhead. Right there. And right here. Now I do want to point out, you guys can see this is a little bit further back than the surround. The reason is because, see this air duct right here? Kind of limited. Really this would be like the perfect location, but I can see why the guys had to install it right there. All right, well, this is an overview of the system that was installed in this home. And now we are going to play a demo. Let's do it. Correction, guys, before we start this demo, these are the RP 500Ms in the rear of the room, not the 600Ms. Customer overheard me in the other room and pointed that out to me. It's not looking at his invoice. So this is a demo of Wonder Woman, and I'm gonna go ahead and kill the lights. This is a matte white screen, so it is washing out a bit with the lights on. So we're gonna kill the lights and play this demo for you guys. All right, guys, well, one other little thing that I wanted to point out, the customer's popping in another Blu-ray for me, is the remote system. So this is the Harmony remote that you see me use all the time, the Pro model. And you can see on the screen here, you got your activities, PS4, Shield, and Blu-ray. You hit one button, it's gonna turn everything on, turn it all the right input for you. The customer is just asking me what the little sensors are over the units. And the way the system works is you hit a button on the remote and it sends a signal to the hub, and the hub has these little lines that come out of the back of it, and it goes right to the front of the receiver or the cable box or the Blu-ray or the projector. So essentially it's like you're taking the original remote and pointing it at the device, but in fact what you're doing is it's sending the signal to the hub and then feeding it through that line, so you don't have to point the remote anywhere. What else is nice is this has a app, and it's unlimited, so you can have this app on all of your devices, iPads, iPhones, Android, it doesn't matter, and there's no licensing fees. It's free of charge, so you can have the app control it anywhere on the Wi-Fi, as well as the one button press touchscreen remote. It also comes with a charging station too, so there's no batteries. I really like to use this system because it puts you guys in control of your own system, especially for my out-of-state customers. You don't have to worry about paying a custom installer to come and program the system. You can just pull out your phone if you get a new device, hit add device, add activity, and boom, your remote's reprogrammed in a matter of 10 minutes, and it's very, very user-friendly and easy to use. So this is a little example of what I was talking about earlier whenever I'm saying that this projector is really a 16:9 projector and the screen is a 235 screen. See how it's bleeding on the top and the bottom? Well, if you had a 16:9 screen, it would fill the whole screen. But whenever the customer does watch movies, which is primarily what he wants to do in the room, it's going to only fill the middle of the screen. Now we have projectors like the higher end model, the Sony 695, as well as all the JVCs that have lens memory. So with lens memory, you can hit one button, like say 16:9, you can program it as whatever name you'd like, or 235, and it's gonna automatically move the lens to fill in the screen. So like if you had a 235 screen and you wanted to go 16:9, you'd hit 16:9, and then you would have bars right there on the left and the right of the screen. But it's super easy to do. You just hit that one button and it automatically gets your focus, your zoom, your everything dialed in perfect for that aspect ratio versus having to manually go in and adjust it each time. Okay guys, well that concludes our overview and system demo of this 5.2.4 Dolby Atmos system with the Sony 295 and this 235 screen. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision. If you did like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. We do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee, and we are constantly working on building up our installer network around the country. So make sure to give us a call and show your support. We really appreciate it, guys. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.